Before the opening bell, U.S. indices falling on Friday, pressured by shares in banks, diversified financials, and household and personal product sectors. Decliners, they were well ahead of advancers. 92% of SP 500 constituents trading lower Friday. Now, after the market closed, Kehoe 360 agreed to be acquired by a consortium of investors in an all-cash transaction valued at $9.3 billion, including the redemption of about $1.6 billion of debt. Walt Disney in the headlines as Star Wars: The Force Awakens collected a record $238 million in U.S. and Canadian ticket sales during this past weekend. This reported by Bloomberg, citing the company's email statement. And General Electric plans to sign a deal to sell a 23% stake in Hyundai Capital to the latter's majority owner, Hyundai Motor, and affiliate Kia Motors for about $800 billion. This according to domestic media Yonhap Infomax. Now, keeping overseas, Asian markets mostly rising today. The Nikkei down 0.37%, the Hang Seng up 0.17%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.3%. European markets are rebounding, and U.S. futures calling for a positive opening. Earnings releases expected for today include Cintas second quarter EPS seen at $1 on sales of approximately $1.2 billion. On the economic data front, 8:30 in the morning sees the November Chicago Fed National Activity Index. And regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500, that's under pressure. Even though a continuation of the technical rebound cannot be ruled out, its extent should be limited. Short positions below 2027 are favored, with targets at 1983 and 1975 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that's under pressure, preferring short positions below 4579, and the Dow Jones under pressure as well, preferring short positions below 17,250.